All you gotta do is just meet me at the pata, 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 Do you want to sing Calypso? He doesn't want to sing, he's shy. Pata, pata, Do you want to say hello? Hello. Hello? Hello? Abracadabra, abra. Hello, Calypso. Hello? He's trying to do it with the microphone. Abracadabra. Stop that. Na, na. In her tongue she said, death or love tonight. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Feel the beat under your feet, the floor's on fire. Abracadabra, abracadabra. He was bullying me. Abracadabra, mauna, abracadabra, morta ugaga. I looked at him and he just like squared up. He was like, oh. Death or love tonight. He flew out of the drool and then he sat on my recording booth and started eating the foam. So I had to pick up a tissue to get him off it. And then he flew at me and started biting my neck. And then I put him in his cage. And then when I turned to check on him, he like squared up with me. I was like, I'm sorry. I love him. I love him. What a psycho.